everybody, this is Skye. Today on this cooking show we're going to be making some dog biscuits. You'll need a stock cube, some salt, 300 grams of flour, and 150 milliliters of hot water, and then 1 egg. And feel free to use some cheese or whatever your dog loves. Okay, let's get baking. First, you need to put the oven onto 150. Now you need to dissolve the stock cube. Now that my stock cube is dissolved, now we can add the remaining ingredients. You can do it in whichever order you want. I'm going to do the egg first. I'm going to do my flour. Now, last but not least, salt. Now we've got all the ingredients. Get your muscles ready. We're going to be mixing. Now I've got as far as I can get with my spoon. It's time to get messy. Now I need to knead it. It's super sticky. So make sure to have a good wash after this. I have a bowl of dough. We can add our ingredients. I'm going to add some cheese because Cooper loves cheese, and we want to show how much we love him. Now I'm going to mix. Now I've finished mixing, it's time for rolling! First, we need to get some flour and sprinkle it on the surface. Now we need to get the dough from the bowl and put it on the flour. And then we need to get our rolling pin and start rolling it. You need to roll it until it's 1/2 centimetre thick. If you find your rolling pin sticking to the dough, you get some flour and put it on the rolling pin. Now I've finished rolling, I need to check how thick it is with my ruler. Yeah, I think that's about right. Now it's time for cutting. You can do it in dog bones, you can do it in ghosts, you can do it in anything. But because I love Cooper so much, I'm going to do it in a love heart. Remember to cut around the edges. my dough. Now I finished putting all my love hearts on out. Now we need to roll it again and put some more flour out. Let's go and see if he is. Cooper, are you excited for your biscuits? Yes, I am. Now let's put the cookies on the tray. And now I've got my tray, and I'll need to get some cooking paper, and then I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. Now I am going to put my cookies on the board like I have done with these three. I'm going to put them in 4 rows of 3. And 4 times 3 equals 12, and that equals how much cookies I'll be able to fit on there. Now I've still got some more left, so we still might have to do some baking after they've cooked. Now my oven's ready, I need to put my cookies in. See you in 20 minutes. Oh, cookie time. Right now I've been playing Dragon Quest Builders 2. It's where you have to build houses for people and villagers. So now let's go and check on the cookies. Now it's time to open the oven. Make sure to get put your oven mitts on because it will be hot. I'm going to make sure they're golden brown. Glasses are smoking up. These look delicious. Cooper, you can test them after they've cooled down. Piled up, let's give one to Cooper. I wonder if he'll run away or not. Come on. I think he's gonna run away. Now Cooper's eating it. I think it's just because it's his first one. I think that's a good start for Cooper though. Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos with me in. Thank you for watching this video.